Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. I just got a new grease gun from JCOO. If you have a lot of outdoor lawn equipment, such as I do, 15 lawn tractors in the backyard, plus snow blowers, you may neglect those machines quite often without even thinking about it. Did you know that you have to periodically grease the zerks? You know what a zerk is? A zerk is a grease input that's shaped like a nipple, little metal thing that's usually in your front end steering area where the spindles are for the wheels. There are grease zerks on the shaft of the auger for your snow blowers. And if you have equipment with hydraulics, usually you require a grease zerk to get grease into that area so that you minimize friction over the years and your equipment lasts a long time. A lot of people don't think that a simple grease gun like this can help your equipment last way longer. I'm guilty of that myself. I don't usually grease a lot of things unless I see a problem. But by that time, it's really too late because the metal on metal friction has worn things out. Periodic greasing of your zerks is vital for the long-term maintenance of your equipment. This JCOO pistol grip grease gun has PSI pressures from 4,500 to 8,000 PSI. Inside the box you have instructions, and it comes with a lot of different accessories or consumables, attachments for different types of equipment. An attachment to get grease into really small holes, needle kind for getting it into like hoses and stuff. You could pierce it and get grease through this, like a syringe. This type of attachment, I don't know what it's for. Extension bar, 90-degree angle. And these kind. I'm not sure what this is for either. Probably for hydraulics, different types of equipment. But the main one that I'll use for my applications is this flexible hose, where you screw this attachment on for a standard grease zerk. I never understood what this spring thing is for. It serves no purpose whatsoever other than be able to grab it. So to load a grease gun, it could be pretty complicated if you don't know the steps. So first, you twist the canister off. In the canister, release this and pull this plunger out, and it's spring-loaded all the way. This thing releases it. This has a lot of spring pressure. Next, go buy grease. You can fill up the grease from a big container and just slop it in there. It's a messy job. Or you can buy one of these canisters. There's a rubber cap on one side. Pop that one out. And you'll see the red grease on the inside. Shove that inside the canister so that the lip is flush, just like that. Now, open this up, just like a can of soda, the other end. It's a messy job, but somebody's got to do it. Next, screw this back onto your pistol grip grease gun. Now they say to press this button. I guess that's to get air out. So we'll release this and have the plunger go back in. There you go. Push this back down. Release some air. Let's test it. Take the ring out. And now you have the pistol grip. And we just pump and see if it comes out. There we go. Whoop. Now we're ready for some greasing. As you can see, I've got tons of tractors just sitting around. Ooh, look! I found a grease zerk right on the steering. Grease zerk is right here where the spindle meets the front end. We need to grease this grease zerk. Ooh, try saying that 10 times. So you just shove this right onto the grease zerk, just like that, and you keep pumping. You pump it until you see some old grease coming out the bottom here or the top over there. I have no idea how long it's been since this has been greased, but because we have the red grease, it'll be easy to spot. Holy cow, this is taking lots of grease. Let's just make sure that it's pumping. It is. In there, nothing's coming out. Maybe that tractor's grease zerk is blocked. Here's another one. Let's try this. There we go. It only took 2 pumps and it came out at the bottom there, see? So I think the other one was blocked. Now let's do the other side. Just shove it on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Came out. Now it's full. Yeah, there was definitely something wrong with the other one. I pumped it like 20 times. This one took like 2 and 6. If you wanted to grease the kinds that don't have the grease zerk on it, such as this, it's completely open, you would use one of those needle attachments onto here and just grease that area by shoving the needle inside that crevice. Here's another tractor we can try. Here's a John Deere one. I'm testing all the kinds. Here's another Craftsman. Now you know that that is grease well because it's dripping out the bottom. So yeah, some of my grease zerks were probably blocked, which means that you can use some of those needle attachments that it comes with to get into there and break that clog. But all in all, very easy to do if it wasn't so hot. Everybody that has lawn equipment needs a pistol grip grease gun. These are very affordable and can save you tons and tons of money in the future for costly repairs due to wear. If you see a grease zerk, grease it. If you guys would like to have this 8,000 PSI pistol grip grease gun with all the attachments from JCU, I'll leave a link in the description. Go check it out yourself. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so I can continue to make you great product reviews like this one. Have a great day. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.